KC atum Greater Nagalim NRC alampen Assam Chief Minister apan kachetong dang. Dienarong along KARBI Farmer Association Karjab Arni Katalon. Bimula timung piapan West KARBI long District Mahila Congress MIP kebat. Kardom KARBI Prime Time News long penili thare chisong teron number tang ton pen arjik tha. Non malom Greater Nagalim Japet Jahoy Alampen kading dang langa porhut KARBI Lucharlia Somate KC atumta mati jongni phaipo arni Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal apan chetongda. KARBI englong lapen Dimaso long le Greater Nagalim along Parlujima Parlule inglong hini Japet Jahoy along le Konjima lahai noding rong alam kachini jiapan mati jongpo arni KARBI englong Dimaso hampang asong atum Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal angbong kachingwai patepon kachingwai long KC amai pu bijoy be lapen ari sangho tum chitong dun lapen KARBI englong lapen Dimaso along le Greater Nagalim along Parlule pusi Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal pen lamthi paklar pon thupata KC songja be kat news along than pachini
tum kadu wedat heglong lojete labasun Nagalim na problem ene sene I am la center itu so I court Nagalim it court puthak pen kedam tang penangan ni KARBI long la pen ensis pen jenglok along pre adim same tension bang dolo athema ekewangji 25 itu December Christmas arnisi je central government atum itu Nagalim long itu NSNIM itu abang hudum han itu laso agif ki people alam dulu atung kemana yang agif people dan alam dulu laso apprehension made laso ke phere ke dukko ko jok penani ka kese penting lo akapre asong tum samme ala subut hak kache song bang dulu lapen ke non hejong itu KARBI anglong pen hampa song tum lapen ke cancels itu apex body hal tum pen cenglok nil tum Chief Minister panstame cetong nam dulu patumi lasi Chief Minister pen kelong alam the bang apa lo je Chief Minister teme whereas la bang ke all some problem pol la mga alang jongjong stame untig bangke la sujitu ki papi pede ji phana lang stame che songun populo la pen Prime Minister phansame la sujitu problem ile tum KARBI ang pan NCS long jitu nona bangke jitu suprastate penjelo any other jitu form of jitu political structure jitu dak claim alang tum ke mangkang tum mate la dagamo satellite council polam na le ropai la si kado elam stame Prime Minister long alangli address po pusi alangli netumang no lam chat bang chibi dun
Denarong along matijong ni pai trok arni trok siang deng KARBI Farmer Association KFA Karjab Arni talon pusi Denarong penituma perangke kat news along birta nang pale Den arong patuak lang malong kapadu pon KFA Karjab amaypi along saikatiki kenang sot aputak aluhi atun pen kachitong aradapan than pachini saikatiki chihung lote KARBI ang long atok ano along ta chingthur po puta aluhi atum lam ke thana hut aning chiphat herinti Karjab Arni aparman song amaypu samsing hanse pen kachari pen rat amay ta padupon EM Torendra Brahma, Thekar Abirta Achabang Samsing Hanse, Veterinary Lapen, Fishery Ok Kapangreng Saikam Asai Puan Parta Dokmoka Press, Abang Puatum Chitong Dunringti. West KARBI long Tigaralang so Amikar Bimola Timung Piapan West KARBI long District Mahila Congress Committee MIP Arpu Pekpontang Nupusi Assam Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee MIP Pen Pachite West KARBI long Tikiralang so Asor Bimola Timung Piapan West KARBI long District Mahila Congress Committee MIP Arpu Peksi West KARBI long along Congress Kapangtang Jiapan Towar Dopon
Assam Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee MP Sanas Yasmin Hok Pensi Timung Piapan Arpu Kimi Pekpon Pusi Kat News along Birta Nang Pale.
Matijong ni Paitrok Arni Ada Porpai Crazy Porpen CCI Guest House along Bogojan Press Club atum Arpu Kimi Kachalara Birta Nangle.
Bogojan Press Club Amepu Ananterang Pen Kachipahem Pupon Amayalong Chunbang Ganesh Paswan Pensi Mai ke Palam Jaipon Lo Mayalong Gidam Tang Surihini Rakep Pen Non An Arpu Kimi Kachelar Ave Lasi Bogojan Perangke Atuma Prang Ansose Kiklem Gidam Lapen Kaiketa Epeng Vet Kidut Hekjia Pan Lam Kachingwai RD Pipon Penang Kachingwai Api Aban Committee Pripun Lo Putot Akimi Committee Kangwai Pontujia Pan Ananterang Pensi Mai Japon Tulo Penang Kachingwai Pado Dead Api Mepu Prakas Gogoya Pan Ingwai Lo Dun Mepu Ranjit Bora Lapen Chunbang Ananterang Lapen Rubul Dihingya Atum Banghini Apan Ingwai Lo Lapen Cultural and Sports Chunbang Suras Mahanta Saihem Chunbang Ganesh Paswan Atumapan Ingvai Ponlo Anparta Bang Sirkep Atumapan Klembang Pu Amen Thaponsi Mai Mesen Pen Pachunlo Kat News Channel Apirangke Ananterang Pen Birta Nang Pale.
Non malam sopor Pandihina Parma Birta Mington Panik Sine.
The bell is ringing. Everyone is singing. Christmas is coming. Sengkan dambom tanglo. Sengkan akinita hubang bom tanglo. Puthot Christmas nang litulipo. Lasi seng chiporong dunang o jirpi pen jirpo. Dilihin pen sengkang sama kardong pajiriklo. Lapusona por ke mehut isi birta ke mido. Birta ke me ke lapuson henlo. New gospel production ahin pen ke son sepon. Jisu neo epu audio album. Matijong ni pai troxy arni. United Christian Forum Hinpen Catalan Ponji pre-Christmas along si in Puponiki.
Ranam supo Jisu, ranam pirbi along, mahang teksi nandu, jainong aroy along.
Labang solong, ninging sam jin lapen, nong nam kachitang klong, mirmili rong pipi, probi katok pi lapen akapre kalun sepo lapen alun sep piatun kilun alun ju arj ponlong igji. Labang sodis nang litum kinamji ning hang pulote dipu LOPC along si longpon igji lasi humri damik tha lapen nam ik vek tha. For more details please contact on this number. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Difu Trade Fair at Difu Club starts from 22nd of November to 10th of December 2017. Luxurious handloom handicrafts products are available such as door curtains and cushion. Valuable quality of traditional Assamese dresses, shawls and saris, shocks for men and women, etc. Offers an all gas stove and Samruddhi unbreakable plastics. Art and craft sofa come back. Cosmetics and Ayurvedic medicines are also available. Credit and debit cards are accepted without any extra charges. Admission is open for the session of 2017 and 2018 at Asian Kids Difu Rongkhalang. Forms are available. Parents and guardians are requesting to collect it from the Office of Asian Kids. All kinds of facilities like smart class, computer periods, playground, learning accessories with celebrations of various festivals to aware children, transfer provision, merit scholarship, annual sports, etc. So hurry up. Seats limitations 20 each. Date of admission for new students on 15th of December 2017. Last date of form submission is 14th of December 2017. For more details, contact at 8638727195 or 9085848042.
বৰ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ গোন্ধ আহি আছে যে জুটি লগা আসলতে ইয়াৰ আৰত কি আছে
ইয়াৰ আৰত আছে কাঞ্চ সৰিয়হৰ তেল স্বাস্থ্যসন্মত বিশুদ্ধ
আৰু সোৱাদযুক্ত
Aturkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu KARBI along Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, flasks, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি? এতিয়া আৰু চিন্তা নাই, কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ। বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াৱহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব।
কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ।
Ganj, Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesire alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihinmo pipathot birtalong wangthulum. Bokolia rong supi pen kilometer phoan kahilo St. John English School along Matijongni Paitrok Arni Ningkani Sikechok along KY Olapen ULDC atum Chetong Dun Pusi Kat News along Birta Nangle.
St. John English School a Principal John Rong Pipen kapachini pon atengke ningkan isi ke pleng Arni along pacheton dunsi asonson kapatu lapen school osomar apia potung pen maita padupon labangso amai long Karbi Youth Organization lapen United Lumbajong Development Committee atumta chirap chito dun pusi school a principal pen nang pachini dun.
Warsai Kemi Club pen patirpi ponsi hamren rongbong rong hang patua klam along Karbing Long Termas Council EM Barim Karlitang Francis Teron Chikimo Men's Football Championship Matijong ni Pai Trok Arni pen Chingpon Tang Lupusi hamren pen Kat News Channel apirangke Hondol Singh Kro pen Birta Nang Pale.
Kipatu Kecheng Arni Karbiang Long Termas Council Chairman Horan Singh Bay pen Anparta Socheng Local MSC Mate EM Rup Singh Teron Socheng VDC Chairman Roman Pator Abarim Board Chairman Atum Dilip Hanse Richardson Hanse Jodson Teron Lapen BJYM Amepu Pritom Rongpi Atum Chitong Dun Chairman Bay pen Kapatu Ingpu Ponsi Kecheng C Kapatu Langhem P FC Atum 6-2 a goal pen im klimso FC aphan thapsi chipahai ponlo kangpu ame along Karbiang Long Termas Council Chairman Horan Singh Bay pen rongbong ronghang kapatua club kape mate pon 2 muchot ji aphan Karbiang Long Termas Council pen sideng pon popusi mailo lamthe jai dekang
Pini Karbi Prime Time News sabang kelapan si Kang Ton Poniklo langi bom the Kat News Channel to meet help me Korban 2